and you say, God, use me. What do you want from me during this trial? For those of you that are not yet believers, it's very simple.
Kajing ya Charlie God ha ukuli ha kashipau tarik unai lur arhajar arpusan ha Utah Valley University USA bala siat da wainau samla u bala tip kerteng u Tyler Robinson bala penemana da ka FBI ha kini kinet Sngi hadin kane lami ka jingle Burom ban ken mau tempang ya u ha kate ka jingle Burom lami ka sur na ka Kurim ka jung u ka bala penhun jerut hi yakinong ngap bad ya ka perthai hi barakawai kham tam ya ki paidru ngai Kristan ka Erika God kala dei ka Kurim ka jung u ka bala kren ha kani ka Sngi la Burom da ka boong ru kopa tomap yaki Naba kimtip Iakaei ka bakile une ubriu udai tang usamla ngamap ya u namar ukris ru ulama kalau ong shishuru bakane kala dei ka jing hikai ka bangila yo naka gospel bat ngidei bandon ka jing i bat ruban i je onong shun bat yakito ki ba penshitom ben yangi kani ka jubab jong ka Kurim u Charlie kala penjau mat hi yakinong ngap bat ru kala dei ka khubor syaka perthai barakawai kham tamban long ki Kristan kala dei ka benta ban syak kat hadu une uput.
That young man on the cross, our Savior said, Father, forgive them, for they not know what they do. That man, that young man, I forgive him. I forgive him because it was what Christ did and is what Charlie would do. The answer to hate is not hate. The answer we know from the gospel is love, and always love. Love for our enemies and love for those who persecute us. The world needs Turning Point USA. It needs a group that will point young people away from the path of misery and sin. It needs something that will lead people away from hell in this world and in the next. It needs young people pointed in the direction of truth and beauty. And so I promise you today, every part of our work will become greater.